All right, thank you very much. My name is Jasper Vis. I'm the CEO of Headcandy. We're based in the Netherlands, and we create digital user experiences. And we do that in the field of innovative interactive media. So we take the latest and the greatest from the technology side, and we come from the user perspective whenever we build the solutions that we build. So really customer-centered design. We work for a lot of global brands, and we try to help them to use technology in their line of business, but also in the customer-facing applications. We love cool technology, we love UX, we love functionality, and if you combine those, we can build a great experience. So, are you all connected to the Wi-Fi? Are you connected to 4G? Did you bring all your smart devices in the room? I think you did. I've seen part of you working, interacting, using their mobiles. So please bear with me, and we're going to try and do something live. So what I find interesting is that I want to connect the devices. I want to bridge the gaps between the different operating systems and the different form factors. And in fact, a lot of times there's a problem exchanging information with the customers because they're on another platform, another device that's not supported by your application, for instance. And we're strong believers that we can get rid of these boundaries actually when we try to exchange information, when we try to interact with these customers. Because we all want to be connected as brands with our customers. So imagine yourself this large agency network with thousands of tablets out there, and you want to manage and update your information. And that might be very difficult. You know, if you talk about the distribution of paper, for instance, first of all, nowadays it's not done. Second, it's very not cost-effective. You know, it takes a lot of effort to run the production, but also to run the distribution of paper brochures. So exchanging information is a digital format. So a lot of the projects that we do are actually custom-built solutions, but part of the solutions that we build is something that we call products. So we are a projects and a digital agency, but we also build products. What I'm going to show you today is Connext. And Connext allows you to share information to whatever smart device your customer has. It's fully measurable, so we can have a loop back of whatever the customer does with your content. We can have this loop back, for instance, into the Salesforce CRM system. It's fully managed from the cloud using one content management system. And getting started doesn't take more than 5 minutes. So if someone would bring a USB stick with their logo, some colors, and some content, I can have it sent over into the cloud, and 5 minutes later you can use my tablet, log on, and interact with your content, start distributing it to all the people that are here in the room. And the content can be hosted on our servers, on your servers, and we can even make use of third-party servers like YouTube for video hosting. We have a Connext API, so it's also possible to let us manage the distribution of content, but you can embed it into your own application. And last but not least, there's no need, and I'd like to emphasize that there's no need for your customers to install an application on their mobile device, on their smart device. So we can distribute content to iOS, Android, a PC, a Windows phone, an Xbox, a PlayStation. As long as we have a browser, as long as we have a connected device, we can interact with it and send information towards that device. So what I will show today is actually the Connext Ambassador application. Connext Ambassador is a front end that runs on the managed devices that you all have, that you get from your company. And it's an application that allows you to distribute content with your clients. So imagine yourself having this sales force with thousands of agents out there, not only in the digital agencies, but also on their way to the client. And of course, we want to update this content. So what I did beginning of the afternoon is actually ask my guys in the office to upload some of the projects and some of the technologies that we currently work with. So what you see is a large overview of all kinds of content.
So I have DIA-specific content that I wanted to show today with Service Hub, for instance, and I can open this content, I can show it to you, and if you like it, I can just say, okay, I'll just share it by adding it to a basket. So, in fact, I can update this front end, I can update 1,000 front ends with the same content, so everything and everywhere I go, this machine is always up to date. So what I would like to do right now, and this is really the tricky part, I would like to share information from my managed device, my tablet over here, to you. So if you're all connected, I'll take you through this application, and I'm going to share some information with you. So imagine that I am part of the sales force here. And I'm on my way to you as a client, and I did the update. So whenever I start this application, it runs an incremental update, checks for latest changes, and then it will update itself. So I have the latest information right now available. And of course, I'm in your office, and I can have this conversation with you, and I can show all kinds of different projects that we did. So I can run you and take you through this video. And this is a video of an F-16 fighter jet application that we've built. And say, hey, well, this might be cool. I'd like to share this with you. And now I did. I just added it to a basket. Second is that I can say, okay, I'll take the introduction PDF of my company, and this is a very, very large file, but this is definitely something that I want to share with you, because then you have the full portfolio of my company by the end of today. You can all browse through all the videos that I just showed part of that. So what we can do over here is I can have this content, and I can actually run through all the nice cases that we did and the approach that we have when we start building user experience for our clients. So let me share this information with you as well. So I've just shared a PDF. I've shared 3 files right now in total. So a picture of Service Hub, the digital flight back video, and the introduction PDF of my company. So we can share to new customers. And in this case, I'm going to use a QR code, and we can use a voucher code where you can log on to our website and retrieve the data. But if you're an existing customer, I can interact with you, and I can push my content because I recognize you. We can use biometrics, or we can in face recognition, fingerprint recognition, NFC, RFID kind of scenarios. In this case, I'm going to distribute content by using a QR code. And this QR code is actually issued from the Connect system. Here we go. So there are 2 ways how we can interact with this content. Some of you might have a QR code. Well, I can't be in front of the QR code. Or you can go to cnext.eu and use DIA S20. And whenever you fill out that code, it will bring you to the content that I've just shared with you. And above all, it will also bring you to my contact details. So let me just do the exact same thing. So I'll fill out the code in this case. That's 20. So who did? Maybe someone in the front. Did somebody check the QR code? What do you see? Content? Can you open one? Can you open the video, for instance? Can you open the picture? Yes? Can you show it to all the 500 people over here? Yay, very good. So what happened? What happened? What happened is that I was able to have an application running on my managed device, and this can be my phone, this can be the tablet, this can be a kiosk, but I was able actually to distribute my content to all the non-managed devices, no matter what kind of brand, no matter what kind of operating system that you are using. So I had something to show. I did share it with you. You were able to open it. You can share it using your mobile phones. You can put it put it on your server, put it on Slack, put it wherever you want to store it, and you can share it with your fellow colleagues. With that, this is the roundup actually of my presentation. I have 1 minute and 11 seconds left, so that's good. Whenever you do have questions, feel free to pass by our booth. We're in the back over there. I'm more than happy to show you another demo and see how we can build an interaction. And I wish you a very pleasant DIA Barcelona. DIA crew, thank you very much for your time and the efforts. And I wish you a great show. Thank you very much.